today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an intro. So, using Panzoid. So what you want to do, you can also do the same exact thing on mobile. So just search up panzoid.com/creations. I searched this up a lot, so it already comes up for me. Just press this one right here. This should come up. Then press it, and then you have a bunch of intros to choose from. So say you can't find anything you like here. You could just search up, like say you want to search up rainbow upbeat intro. Rainbow upbeat intro. And then there's gonna be some things here. I'm just gonna choose let's check this one out. Just look for one you like. Like that intro, I might just go for the ones in trending. Let's just use I'm just gonna use this one right here, this blue one. Let's just watch it. Watch it to see if you would like it or not. One thing. Okay, that is it. Now, I'm just gonna, so now there's text right here. You go to this little like 3D cube, press on it. Then you're gonna have to find this thing that calls text. Now, go to this right here, text, and just put your name in it. I'm just gonna put my YouTube name, which is Avo. I'm just gonna copy that so then I don't have to repeatedly type it. Enter Avo, then paste Avo. You can also do this if you have a longer name and if you don't want to type it, then paste Avo. Now that you have that, this is what it should look like now. One thing. Okay, so that's it. Say you don't like the font and you want to put another font. Like, say you want this font right here. Now we're just going to play it. One thing. Oh, we need to also put it for these ones too. And then just put it for here and then here too, and then there. Now it's changed to this. You can also change the color with this. Like say you don't want it to be blue and you want it to be green, then press, you want it to be green, then choose, and then it turns green. I think you might have to do this with all the other ones too, but I'm not sure. Okay, so you can change the font, the height. I think you can change the height, I'm not sure. Also, press this little eye thing. If you don't, it's going to look like this. It's going to look like that right there. And yeah, so just press this so you have a better view. So say you want to put your custom audio. Just go to this little music thing right here. Then press select. I have a folder for my audio. I'm just going to press it. Then add an audio. But I suggest you don't do that. I suggest you keep the audio there because it matches with the beats to the intro more well. And yeah. But just do whatever you want. Now for the resolution. You're going to go to this little check mark called basics, then video resolution. My video resolutions are 1920 times 180. I'm just going to keep it like that. Then my frame rate is not 30, it's 60. So this is just how long the intro is. If you want to shorten it, you can. I suggest you don't, because then it's going to, I don't know how to explain it, but I don't think you should. You can test it out if you would like to. So now how you download it is you go to this little arrow right here called downloads, then press it. Now I suggest you change this to good quality. then keep it on MKV, and then start video render. So now we're just gonna wait for it to render. It just tells you how long it's gonna take to render. And yeah, I'll get back with you guys when it's done rendering. Okay, my video is done rendering. Now you can either return to editing or download your video. Since we already checked it and then we like the finished product, let's download. Then it's gonna take you here, and then on this corner right here something's gonna pop up. Yep, right there, and then there, and then you have your intro. So just go to files, and where I keep all my downloads, I have this download thing right here. So now it's gonna be right there. I'm just gonna double click on it and then watch it. Okay, and yeah. So if you want any more tutorials, just comment down below. And if you have any questions on like other things, just comment down below so I can make a video on it. And yeah, bye guys.